Like most standard Windows applications, Civil 3D has moved to using the ribbon interface as a central point of accessing most of its commands. The ribbon is the band across the top of the screen which holds all the commands for the program. It is made up of several components. First, the tabs organize commands into logical groups, such as the Home, Insert, Annotate, Modify, Analyze, and View tabs. Each one of these tabs is grouped into panels. For instance, on the Home tab, you have the Pallets panel, the Create Ground Data panel, the Create Design panel, and so on. Each one of these panels has a collection of commands on them that are related. Some of these commands have a drop-down arrow beside them. The down arrow can be expanded to show larger lists of other commands nested under them. In addition to commands having a down arrow, some of the panels also have them on the title bar. Select a panel down arrow, and it expands to show you even more commands. The ribbon and panels can be customized through the CUI command. At the top of the ribbon, you can see the Minimize to Panel button. Click the Minimize to Panel button once, and it minimizes the panels to show only the panel names, in addition to the tabs at the top. When you hover the cursor over any of the panels, they expand to show all the commands. This mode is useful when you need more real estate for your design window. You can continue clicking the Minimize to Panel button, and it cycles through the three available options: Minimize to Tabs, Minimize to Panel Tiles, and Minimize to Panel Buttons. Click through each option to get an idea of what will happen on your ribbon. When you're done, return the ribbon back to the original state, which shows all the tabs, panels, and buttons. This is a state that you will see in these lessons. Now, click the Modify tab of the ribbon. This tab has some unique commands on it. For example, in the Design panel, select Parcel. This opens a new tab on the ribbon that is strictly related to designing, labeling, and manipulating parcels. In this case, the commands on the ribbon actually launch new tabs on the ribbon. You could use any of the parcel editing and modification commands you find on this tab, as it stays visible until you click the Close button. Another way to find new tabs on the ribbon is by selecting an object in the drawing. If you select one of the parcels on the screen, the ribbon changes and opens a context-sensitive ribbon for that particular object. The new tab on the ribbon has commands that are specifically related to working with whatever object you may have selected. In this case, the new tab is related to parcels. If you select a surface, then surface-related commands will appear on the ribbon tab. If you select an alignment, then you have alignment-related commands, and so on. So in general, with Civil 3D, if you're not sure what command you should be using next or where to find a certain command, you can select the object to reveal the context-sensitive ribbon. There's a good chance that you'll find the command you're looking for on the ribbon after you've selected your object.